Good afternoon, sir. So this is first prototype of a game that we're working on. It's called Lost Crumbs. So when the player starts the game, he will always start in the main menu scene, and then he can select how to play to view the controls of the game, and how to play the game, and then let's play. These milk bottles are power-ups. So we didn't implement this yet, but in the final project there will be enemies with the character will have to fight, and he will lose HP. So to refill his health, he will have to collect these power-ups. So as you can see, as the character collects the cookies, there is a score in the top right of the screen that increases by 1 every time the character collects them. So when the user collects 25 cookies and your score reaches 25, the door to the next level will open and his score will be reset back to 0. Good afternoon, sir. We are Team F, and this is our final prototype for our game, Lost Crumbs. When the player starts the game, he will always start in the main menu scene, and to view the controls, the player can select how to play to see the controls. On the top left, there's a score, and when the player collects a cookie or food crumb, the player's score increments by 1. As you can see, there is a monster. If the player gets too close to the monster, it will start chasing him. However, if he gets way too far, the monster will stop chasing the player and it will return to its normal behavior. The monster can attack the player, and on the top left, you can see there's health bar. So when the monster attacks the player, you can see the player's health decreases, and to refill the player's health, he can collect power-ups.